This is the new Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 hands-on and quick review. But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. My first impression to this new Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is super huge. You can't able to close it by your single hand. If it's open, it has 7.6-inch Full HD Plus foldable dynamic AMOLED display with 6.9mm thick, and when it's fold, it's super thick with 16.8mm with a front screen of 6.23-inch Super AMOLED display with HD Plus resolution. At the top, you can see there's one microphone here and speaker grills, and at the bottom, here are the USB Type-C, one microphone, and another speaker grills for stereo sound quality. At the right side, the power button together with a fingerprint scanner and the volume control, and of course, at the back side is the huge camera bump similar to Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So in terms of camera specification, this phone is equipped with triple camera, which is 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture for the main lens with face detection autofocus and OIS that can record 4K videos up to 60 frames per second, 12 megapixel f2.2 aperture ultra wide lens, and a 12 megapixel f2.4 aperture telephoto lens. And in the front camera, it has 10 megapixel f2.2 aperture, and when it's fold, it has the same 10 megapixel f2.2 aperture and can also record 4K videos at 30 frames per second. And if you talk about the specification, this phone is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus, a 7nm plus architecture CPU with a clock speed of octa-core 3.09 GHz. And I can really say that this CPU is super fast, and combined with Adreno 650 GPU for better gaming and multitasking performance. It has also a massive battery of 4500 mAh capacity, and it supports 25 watts fast charging technology, but in my opinion, this battery is not enough because of the massive AMOLED screen as well. So guys, this is my hands-on and quick review of this new Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. What is your opinion? Just comment down below. And of course, if you are new here in my channel and if you want to see more tech reviews like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.